Tingalay ko nga, this is the game called Labay Plato. Labay Plato. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. This guy is playing. See? Look at that. What? Look at that. Yeah. Catch that Plato. Catch that Plato is the game. You catch the Plato. Okay. And then throw it again. Yes. Labay Plato game. Okay, let's go catch Plato. Alright, catch that Plato. Okay, subagay. Yan, amigo ra sila. Labay Plato. Yan games pwede makita ba dari? May volleyball ball. That game is called volleyball ball. I think the other one is called softball ball. Volleyball ball. And soccer. I like this game, soccer. You know how to play soccer? Oh no, it's volleyball ball also. There. That's the soccer. Soccer. Si padari, si badato. It's called soccer.